Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically go to like ghost mode on Valorant. Let me just see if the so basically just go to custom game, go to option, and make sure the allow cheats is enabled, and you're just going to go to the map that you want to like explore, so maybe like Lotus, and you're just going to press start. You can either be attacker or defender, doesn't matter. You're just going to randomly pick an agent as well, doesn't matter what you choose. And I'm just going to wait for it to load, which takes kind of like a long time sometimes. I actually find this map very pretty, and I like to use Breach a lot on this map. And if y'all want to play, but I'm like in the Apex server, so basically I'm just going to enable cheats here. Oh, lagging. And just enable ghost mode. And I'm also going to end game phase and also pause match timer. And here you can basically move around and go to places you can't explore you can't explore while you're in game. So like here, you can enter this place and you can see it's very cute room. There's like these there's like elephant and this these bears. And like you can go up and like view the place. I find this map so pretty, even though the doors are very annoying. Especially like this open space. Like I am glad you can go up here and just like see the beauty of this place. You have like, I don't know if you can go in here. It's probably just plain. There's more like places to go if you're on the Pearl map. And oh, you can also go here. Very fun. You have all of these like dolls and stuff. What are they looking at? Oh, they're looking up here. Oh, that's so cute. It does make me dizzy sometimes. Oh, and we have this place where I actually haven't been to, so this is new to me. I explore the map little by little because it does make me quite dizzy. So you have this like place here that I haven't been to. It's very pretty though. What else do we have here? Probably it. You can just explore it yourself. I don't want to spoil too much for you that haven't been here, but let's just turn that off, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. I said that already. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below, and if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!